Won't tip over, man. All right, it's early morning and we're headed out to do a little recovery action. We got a skid steer that's tipped upside down. We'll go winch it back over on its wheels and get him back doing work. So got Landon going with me. Take the old wrecker and we'll go see if we can flop him back over. All right, let's get out of here. I gotta find my Coke. I have one that's open. All right. All right, we're just hitting the road, pull off, go see if we can find them. The truck's got a weird noise going on. We're gonna have to get to the bottom of. Go pop that gate for us, Land. All right. We'll see what we're getting into. Should be interesting. Nice and dry out here as well. There's old Marv. Found ya.
Up over the hill.
Okay. Oh, he's doing some real work here. Where'd he tip it over to? Pull over, let him go by. And he don't have to eat the dust anyway. Yeah. If you guys remember, we came up here and did some shooting with these guys. They run a shooting company up here. He was fixing the road.
Right here, Dad.
Alright. We can deal with that. Let's go look and see what we got. Ugh. Looks like you went for a ride, Marv.
Yeah, I don't feel very good.
I'll bet not. You hit your head. It's it'll ring your bell. At least you didn't go off in the wash.
Seriously. The thing is, we've been up the hill the whole time. And I just decided to come down and get this rock right here.
Yep.
Really quick. And didn't even think anything of it.
All right. We can tug this back over fairly simple.
You think so?
Yeah. Well, I think what I'm going to do is come behind it and drag it back and set it flat right here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'll just come around it and we'll just lift it up and set it back right here. Let's put some air in the bags. Take those out. Rear. Where are you gonna hook this? Right around this. We just got to pick it up enough to slide it down.
Do you think the tow truck will pick it up?
It'll do enough to slide it around. It's gonna wheelie a little, but she's heavy. Yeah, that's wheeling. I'm gonna pull it back that way. Gotta get it to slide around.
You're good.
Want a water, Marv? I bet she'll move now from where you're at.
Yeah, I should have hooked this way first. Dang it, I need that on the bottom.
Still sliding it.
Just pulling it. We get the tires to come around, then we can stand it up.
Do you think you can hook it to one of these hook points
Yeah.
on the body?
If I could get that underneath that, that'd be great. I gotta get it under it. Plan, jump in the truck and back it up.
All right.
I gotta pick this straight up so I can get this winch rope under it. Okay, right there a second. Okay, I need you to go forward slow. Hold on, I just cut that rope. Okay, land, ease forward. Keep going. Little more. Little more. That's good. Okay, back up. That'll do, you can put in park.
Are you just gonna come down right here?
Yep. We'll go around it, tip her back on its wheels. I gotta fix this power steering. There you go. You came off sideways. That's the difference. That's the difference. I think we can do this. What was that?
It moved a little.
I got it to get tips. If I can get it to start. All right, we got to figure something else out. Where else can I hook? Is there another one of those on the bottom?
I don't
Or anything?
know. It's right here.
Maybe we can fish that thing in there. Get hooked on the bottom. See if we can't get it to roll up. Dang it. Like that. Okay. Put that back. It's so close. Won't tip over, man.
so close.
I can't get it to break over. Is that thing digging in, or? Yeah, it feels like something's catching and it won't. Maybe we try just picking it up from the bottom, just lift it straight up and then back up with it. Maybe that'll do it. It's heavy. Undo that bottom one, Lan. I think we just drag it right on around and then lift it. I think that's going to be the easiest.
Why don't you just drag the front of it around? Then you might be able to lift it better if you're up there a little bit better.
Yeah.
It's not really going to hurt it to drag it.
Okay. How's that, Lan? Did it get that thing out from oh yeah, it's out of the bushes now. Now I'm gonna hook this front and we'll just tug it on around.
Hey, Paul.
Yeah.
Let's just release my lines on this and hold those up.
Okay.
And that'll come off.
Okay.
You got it ready?
Yep.
Do that right.
There we go. Okay, now you can get the bar in there and pick. It'll go right off. Watch your brain. All right.
You probably tip it right over now.
That was fairly heavy. Yeah, we'll just pivot it around now and we should be good to go. All right, baby. Got that.
Special swing right around now. Put a little weight off the nose of it. Hey, that was a little less weight.
Yeah, let's see if we can tip it over now.
That broke one's right there still hooked
Yeah,
on.
I'm gonna hook it back up here. That's why you run synthetic rope. Break it, you can just tie a knot in it. Good to go again. Oh, maybe.
Might have to pick it up a little.
Yeah, I'll pick it up and then we can get that out of there.
That should be off the ground right there.
It'll start, man.
Might hit me in the face.
That's the worst part about tipping equipment over is there's nothing soft inside there.
Maybe the centimeter thick carpet.
The only thing that's soft when you tip something over.
You're about there. There it goes.
It's not gonna hit me, is it?
I shouldn't.
That ain't gonna work.
It doesn't look like it will.
Well, it's back on all fours again.
Thanks, buddy boy.
Yeah, that one was heavy. Maybe the heaviest thing we've tugged on.
Just take the jackhammer off.
We build a receiver hitch thing that goes in and has a flat plate on it,
Oh yeah.
so it goes down and hits.
That's what you said you
Yeah, and we drove off and left it at home when Travis got his backhoe stuck in Liddy's Canyon in the pond. We built it for that, because you can get a lot of high lift if you can keep it from tipping you up.
Yeah, if you got that backhoe out, it's heavier than this.
It was a workout, but we got him out. We had to run snatch blocks back and forth on the winch to get it to pull harder. And I'm gonna tug that out from under there, Lan. Tell me when it comes out.
so close.
Well, you'll finish it.
Let me know how much.
You don't owe us anything.
Well, you know what's crazy, Paul, is I walked up there, right, and I was kind of stumbling around trying to shake off my head.
You didn't sound very good when you answered the phone.
No,
Well, I was like,
I
did
was
he
kinda
butt dial
shocked.
me or
I
something?
was kind of shocked that you answered. Because I was like, I was trying to call you at the top of the hill, and I never get service right there. Got to the gate, and it rang. And so I was like, trying to shake off what I had going on in my head. And
Well, I asked him, like, you good, Marv?
I'm like, I don't know, man. Like, are you good? Where are you at? You called me. Why are you asking me where I'm at?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Well, you'll probably want to take her easy for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Let the old brain go swelling go down in there.
Well, I was looking in the mirror, and I can't tell if my pupils are good or not.
Yeah.
Are they dilating?
Yeah, they're dilating.
Good then.
You're dilating still. Let her set for a half hour or so. And check the oil in it, and she'll fire up smoke for a minute. All right, we'll go back to work then.
Seriously, call me. Let me know.
You don't know us anything. All right, well, that was exciting stuff, right?
Oh yeah.
Got him tucked out, tipped over. That thing was heavy. I pulled on it everywhere I could pull on it until we could get that hammer off there. That was a no-go. Oh, we got it. We only broke 2 winch ropes. We'll thread some eyelets back in them. They'll be good to go again. So that's why we run the ropes we run. If you'd have broke a cable like that, you're just SOL. You're not pulling on anything again. We can hurry, quick tie knot in it. And when I get home, I'll just thread a new loop in the old Yankum. We're good to go again. All right, back to the shop. Let's get home. I tested the old tow truck.
Yeah, I did.
Sure.
I was dang near done, too.
That's how it always happens. It's never at the first.
No.
If it was at the first, you'd never start stuff.
I was going this direction, and then I was like, I'll do a couple going crossways. And I did a couple of cross, and then my last one, I was going to go right through the middle of that rock with this, right off.
It doesn't take much. Once the tire comes off the ground on these,
You're toast.
it's kind of hang on.
Hang on.